Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet a beginner friendly coaster. I am using a 5mm crochet hook for my project and a 3-ply cotton yarn. First of all, make a slip knot. Now we would make chains with the help of crochet hook. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6. After making 6 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain. Now start the first round with 3 chains. These 3 chains will be counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook. Go into this ring of chain and then draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through 2 loops first and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again, go into the ring and draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 loops and then through other 2 loops to make a double crochet. Again make a double crochet into the ring. And in this way we would make 23 double crochet stitches into the ring, including first 3 chains, total of 24. So I have made all double crochet stitches, total of 24 double crochet stitches including first 3 chains. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain. Cut this starting yarn strand. I have woven it inside these stitches. Now start the second round with 3 chains, which will also be counted as a double crochet here in this round. Now make 3 chains and skip the double crochet stitch after chain 3 and into the next one make a double crochet, make 3 chains, skip 1 double crochet stitch, go into the next one, make a double crochet, make 3 chains, skip 1 double crochet stitch, go into the next one and make a double crochet. In this way complete the second round. I have made all double crochet stitches. Now in the last make 3 chains and then make a slip stitch into the third chain, 1 2, and here is the third chain. Make a slip stitch into the third chain. Second round is also completed. We would work into the chain 3 space, make a slip stitch into it. Start the next round with 3 chains. Make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet and 3 double crochet into this chain 3 space, including 3 chains. We have a set of 4 double crochet stitches. Now make chain 1, go into the next chain 3 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3 and then double crochet 4. Make chain 1 again, go into the next chain 3 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3 and then double crochet 4. So in this way make chain 1 plus 4 double crochet in every chain 3 space till the end. I have made all double crochet stitches for third round. Now make chain 1, make a slip stitch into the chain 3. We have to work into a chain 1 space, make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch, then into the next one and then into the next one. We would change the color from here also. I am using a yellow color yarn. Make a slip knot of this yarn first and then make a slip stitch into the chain 1 space with this change color of yarn. Cut the red color yarn strand and make a knot of these 2 yarn strands and weave these strands with the help of tapestry needle. So I have woven these yarn ends. Now just cut the extra strands and start working. Make chain 1, make a single crochet stitch into this chain 1 space, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4 and make a single crochet into the next chain 1 space after 4 double crochet stitches. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4 and make a single crochet into the next chain 1 space after 4 double crochet stitches. Again make 4 chains and then make a single crochet into the chain 1 space. So in this way make 4 chains and a single crochet in every chain 1 space of the previous round till the end. Now in the end, after making 4 chains, make a slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch of this round. Now make chain 1 and make a single crochet into this same single crochet stitch. Now we would work into the chain 4 space here. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3 and then into the same chain 4 space again make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3. This is our shell of 3 double crochet stitches. Now make a single crochet into the next single crochet stitch after this chain 4 space. Now work into the next chain 4 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, then chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3, again double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3, and after that a single crochet into the next single crochet stitch right here. So in this way we would make 3 double crochet, 3 chain and 3 double crochet in every chain 4 space and a single crochet in every single crochet stitch and complete this round. So I have completed all stitches of this round. Now in the end make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch of this round, which is right here. Now we would start our last round. Make chain 1, first of all we would make chain 1 and a single crochet into this single crochet stitch. Then we would make 2 chains and now we would work into this chain 3 space of shell. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 into this chain 3 space. After that make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. After making 3 chains, go into the side loop of first chain and make a slip stitch into it. This is called chain picot. Now into the same chain 3 space again make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 like this. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2. Then in this single crochet stitch after this shell make a single crochet Now make chain 1 and then chain 2. Start working into the next chain 3 space of shell. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3 into it. Then make chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3. Into the first chain make a slip stitch to make a chain boycott, and then make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and double crochet 3 into the same chain 3 space of shell. Then make a single crochet. After that make 2 chains and make a single crochet into the single crochet stitch after every shell. So repeat this process and complete this round till the end. So I have made all shells. Now in the last make 2 chains and then into the very first single crochet stitch of this round make a slip stitch. Pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter, and then remove the extra yarn strand. Now weave this yarn end at the back side with the help of tapestry needle. I have woven the yarn end at the back side and our coaster is ready. I hope you guys like this flower coaster. So give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to get more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.